Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Tuesday. Much later than usual, but I did show up. Hi, everyone. Coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. How's your day been? Before I call it a night, wanted to come on to talk real quick about getting a work permit while your VAR case is pending. Once you come on, say hello. This is attorney Episola Olale Samuel, immigration lawyer based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. If you've got an immigration case, we can and do represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. We can represent you regardless of where you live. We actually have clients that are not even within the United States who do consular processing, so that's not a problem. So come on in, come on in. Let's talk about, and it's going to be real short because it's about 6:34 p.m. Gotta go make some dinner, feed my kids. So I'm gonna make it short. If you have questions, put them in the comment section. Say hello when you come on. As you can see, my background is different because I'm in my own office this evening, and wanted to talk real quick about work permit while your VAW case is pending. If you need to contact my office, number is scrolling at the bottom of the screen. 334-341-4475. You can also send an email to aos@onlinelawfirm.com or visit our website. Website right there is onlinelawfirm.com. So let's talk, people, and tell me how your day has been. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know how your day has been. Say hello. If you haven't subscribed to YouTube channel, please do so. If you haven't followed us on Instagram and on TikTok, please do so. And please share this video with family and friends and whoever you know is going to benefit from it. So let's talk immigration, right? I want to talk. This is a question that I get a lot of times. How can I and how do I get a work permit while my bar case is pending? First question. Can you get a work permit while your bar case is pending? Answer, it depends. And it depends, here's why. If you are filing for VAWA and you have filed an I-485 with your VAWA petition, then you are eligible. And so you're eligible to file a 485, which is your application for your green card. That means you're eligible to file a work permit, an I-64 application as well, that will go hand in hand based on your pending 485 application. Once you're able to do that, then you're able to work while your VAWA case is pending. As long as you select, here's the important part of it, you have to select a C9 category for the work permit. Even if you file a 485 application for green card and you do not select a C9 category, you will not be issued a work permit while your VAWA case is pending. And here's where people get it very, mixed up. There is a C9 category which goes with if you have a pending or you're filing a concurrent 485 application. There is also a C31 I-64 application, I-765 application, which is for self-petitioners. If you file a 765 application with your 485 and you select a C31 category, understand that you will not get a work permit under that category until your VAWA petition has been approved. VAWA is taking anywhere from 18 months to 24 months, give or take, plus and minus 2 months. So that means that you have selected a category for your work permit that can only be issued after your VAWA petition is approved. Moving, going a step forward, you do not even have to file a 765 C31 category application as long as you select in the VAWA petition itself where it's asked you, do you want an employment authorization to be issued to you upon approval of your petition? If you select yes, what you get upon approval of your petition is a C31 work permit. But that is only issued after the VAWA petition itself has been approved. So that's where even the person who called and we had a consultation, that's the confusion, and that's where they got confused because they were on the impression that because they filed a VAR case, they had to select the C31 even if they were filing 45. So now we're going to be filing. Now we're taking over the case, and we're going to be sending in a 765 C9 category based on the fact that they also have a pending 45 application for green card that they were able to file simultaneously with the VAR case. So that is the one. So that's why I said it depends. As long as you select the right category for the work permit that you are eligible for while your VAR case is pending. If you select the one that is directly associated with the VAR petition, the C31, you will not get that until the VAR petition itself has been approved, give or take 18 months to 24 months, 2 years. So you got to make sure, if you want to work right now, that you are eligible for the 45. Once you've determined that you're eligible for 45, and most people are, that you file a C9 category work permit alongside with that, and that is how you're able to work while your VAR petition is pending. Make sense, everybody? Let me see what the comments are. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, Mr. Kwame. How you doing? Hello and good evening to you as well. Thank you for always showing up. Good evening, Mr. Larry. How you doing? It's been a good day so far. Good. Oh, good evening, Mr. Olamide. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. All the compliments I accept. I appreciate all of that. Let's see. Mr. Larry has a question. Can someone travel with AP Wawa case suspended? So I think you already sent me that question, and you have a lot of questions. Like I said, you probably would have to schedule a proper consultation. But generally, if you have an approved advanced parole and it's still valid, yes. I usually say if you don't have to travel, don't. But if you want to travel, you can, as long as you have that valid advanced parole that allows you to come back in. You've got a valid passport. So generally, yes. That doesn't speak to your case because I don't know anything about your specific case. But that is generally, as long as nothing else, that you should be. The fact that you have an advanced parole does not mean that you're going to be guaranteed entry back into the country. So make sure before you travel, anybody, that you do not have anything that's going to present you to be found inadmissible coming back into the country. And so that's something that can be discussed in a proper consultation. But that's something I would say to make sure you do not have in your history that will prevent you. So advanced parole is your gateway to come back in. It is not a guarantee if you have any other grounds of inadmissibility that CBP thinks that will prevent you from coming back in. If your VAW case has been filed pending for a while and you're closer to your case being approved and you don't really have to travel out, please be patient and just wait. Because, the worst thing that can happen is someone getting, this happened to somebody actually, not in my client, but someone was talking on our firm where they had been in the country and they traveled an emergency trip to India, and their VAW case had been pending, but the dad passed away. They had to go for the burial, and while they were there, the VAW petition was denied. They appealed, and I don't know what the situation is with that, but yes. So just be careful before you make any international travels while you have a pending case. Just know that, and if everything in the checks out, then generally anyone can travel while they have a case pending. So thank you, everybody. I know it's a very short video because it's evening time and I'm about tired. I've been talking all day. Yeah. But anyway, thanks to all those who come on every single time. I appreciate you guys. And please share this video. That would be very much appreciated. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to YouTube channel. And until next time, everybody, bye-bye.